Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the Honor Magic8 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Today, we're diving deep into what makes these flagship beasts tick, from their dazzling displays and powerhouse chipsets to mind-blowing cameras and battery life. Will the Honor's 7200 mAh battery and AI-driven display tech outlast Samsung's peak brightness and pro-grade camera system? Can the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 in the Honor really outperform the S25 Ultra's GPU? And with prices at $850 versus $1,300, is Samsung's premium justified, or is Honor the true flagship killer? Stick around as we break down these giants feature by feature. And tell me, which one deserves your hard-earned cash? Starting with the display. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts a larger 6.9-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X panel with a peak brightness of 2600 nits and a stunning 1440 by 3120 resolution at approximately 498 ppi. This means brighter visuals and sharper images, ideal for outdoor use and media consumption. The Honor Magic8 Pro, while slightly smaller at 6.71 inches with a 1256 by 2808 resolution, stands out with Dolby Vision HDR and an impressive 6000 nits peak brightness, plus AI features like circadian night display and off-focus eye protection 2.0, making it a display that's not just bright, but smartly adapts to your eyes. Samsung's ultra-strong titanium build and anti-reflective coating add durability and clarity, but Honor's AI-driven eye comfort tech could sway users who prioritize long-term screen health. Under the hood, the Honor Magic8 Pro is powered by the cutting-edge Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, featuring an octa-core CPU with two blazing 4.6 GHz Oryon V3 Phoenix L cores and an Adreno 840 GPU. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra runs on the slightly older Snapdragon 8 Elite with a max of 4.47 GHz and Adreno 830 GPU. This subtle but important edge in clock speed and GPU generation means the Honor could deliver smoother performance in gaming and AI tasks, making it the more future-proof choice for power users. When it comes to standout features, Honor packs emergency SOS via satellite for safety, a dedicated AI button for quick smart assistant access, and GPU-NPU heterogeneous AI supersampling that boosts gaming visuals. Samsung counters with ultra-wideband UWB support for precise spatial awareness, AI-powered scene recognition for perfect photos, and Samsung DeX for a desktop-like experience. Both bring unique innovations, Honor's AI and safety tech versus Samsung's ecosystem and productivity enhancements. The camera battle is fierce. The Honor Magic8 Pro sports a versatile triple setup capped by a 50-megapixel wide lens with OIS and a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto offering 3.7x optical zoom. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra pushes boundaries with a 200-megapixel main sensor featuring a larger 11.3 sensor size and 0.6 micrometer pixels, plus a triple telephoto system, including a 5x periscope zoom. Samsung's higher resolution and advanced zoom capabilities deliver unmatched detail and flexibility, especially for zoom enthusiasts and low-light shooters. In camera features, Honor impresses with AI super zoom and seamless zoom for smooth transitions, plus a color spectrum sensor that enhances portrait shots. Samsung ups the ante with its quad telesystem, super steady video for ultra-smooth clips, and AI ProVisual Engine that intelligently processes images for professional-grade results. Samsung's tech is clearly aimed at photography pros, while Honor focuses on AI-enhanced versatility. Battery life is a clear highlight for the Honor Magic8 Pro, packing a massive 7200 mAh silicon carbon lithium-ion battery, significantly larger than Samsung's 5000 mAh Li-ion cell. This means longer endurance for heavy users and gamers, potentially outlasting Samsung's flagship in real-world usage, despite Samsung's fast charging and software optimizations. In terms of build and durability, both phones offer IP68 water and dust resistance, But Honor goes further with IP69 certification, meaning it can handle high-pressure water jets. Samsung adds a game-changing stylus pen with Bluetooth integration and gyro support, appealing to creatives and productivity fans. So, it's a choice between ruggedness and versatile input options. Memory options are robust on both sides, with Honor offering up to 1 terabyte storage paired with up to 16 gigabytes RAM, matching Samsung's highest RAM tier, but with slightly fewer configurations. Both cater to power users needing ample space and multitasking power, so this category is a tie for those demanding top-tier specs. Finally, the price. Honor Magic 8 Pro comes in at a disruptive $850, significantly undercutting Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra's $1,300 tag. For buyers on a budget, Honor offers flagship-level specs without compromise, while Samsung demands a premium for its advanced camera system, stylus, and ecosystem perks. The question is, do you pay more for the S25 Ultra's polish or save big with Honor's raw power?